I'll just run these through the planer, and then I can use these for the trims round where the basket's going to be. That's the idea anyway. I don't know whether to mitre the corners or just butt them up. I think they always look better mitred, but I've done mitred stuff before in the garden and they tend to split a bit, tend to come away. So I don't know what people's opinions on that is, but I have read on sites where people do say just butt them up. I think that's what I might end up doing. Right, that's them bits cut. So now I've decided to go with the butt joint. I don't know whether just glue them or put a pocket hole in them. I think I'm going to pocket hole them as long as this wood's thick enough to do one. 16mm. Let's see if it'll do, if I can pocket hole them. What I'll do, I'll just run a bit of a test piece first before I try it on the main one. Yeah, that looks alright. Apart from my drill bit falling out. I think this drill's beginning to go on its way out. I mean, I've had it years and years now. But sometimes the chuck just gives way on it. So I think it's about time I had a new one. But anyway, that looks alright. Tell you what, I'll put the hoover on it as well. Having that hoover attached to it makes all of a difference. You hardly get any mess off it. If anybody's after a pocket hole jig and you can afford one of these, well worth having. I've had one or two different ones, like cheaper versions, like 10-15 quid ones that you just clamp on, but these are great. And then I made this board. I saw this board online and decided to make one for it. But it's a cracking bit of kit. Slight twist in that, but that'll pull down when it's fixed down. Right, that's the top done, just want staining now. Right, I've planed these up. On that one I managed to catch it as to where I'd put the biscuits, which is in them areas. But this one, I can't remember. So I don't know, it's pot luck with it. Right, there's some There's some gouges here where the knots are. So what I'm going to do is put a bit of super glue in them, I think, just to fill them up a bit. That piece there ain't great, to be honest with you. A great big knot there, which I cut through the end, but it'll go underneath, so I'll live with it. Right, now what I want to do with these, the idea is that I'll fix them on the inside. I can drop the tops on the posts and then I can pin them through to the side, just in case I ever kind of want to take them off or get in there, put some electrics in or whatever. To be fair, on the end one where the pillar it goes up against the fence, it doesn't really matter, but I'll do it anyway. That's it. So the idea of this now is that it just finds its location. You'll have to sort of equal it out that way, but then I can pin it through from the sides. So I'll give these a coat now. The stuff I'm going to use is this decking oil from Screwfix. First time I've used this, so I don't know what it's like. I did want some of their no nonsense stuff, but I couldn't get hold of any. Oh, a bloody great start. Ripping the bloody top out. Bloody hell. Right, now I'm going to give it a coat to this Cuprinol Willow. I think I'll probably end up needing 2 coats, so here goes. Normally does. I'll zip the video forward because I'm quite sure you don't want to watch me painting these, so I'll cut back with you in about an hour. Right, that's all painted, and that's basically what we've got, but we've had a bit of a change of heart on the colour of the tops. Well, the missus has, to be honest, and what we're thinking again was like a whitey cream. So I've got some of this here, this pale jasmine from Cuprinol, and I'm going to paint some of that on. Right, another change of heart, another colour change. This is too white. Wanted more of a creamy colour. So anyway, I'm going to give this one a go, see how this turns out. I think that's more what we're looking for. These are just some nylon glides that I'm knocking in, just to help protect it a bit when it's on the ground. This is where I started fixing it together. I'd already pre-drilled, so it was easy, just put a screw through. Now I'm fixing the tops onto the pillars and the trim where the basket goes. And now it's time to fix these lights that I bought off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description where I've had them from. One thing I decided to do was, rather than have electrics in there, I put these solar lights on. How good they are, time will tell, but we'll give them a go and see how long they last. But at the moment they look all right. I'll leave a link in the description for anybody who's interested in them. So here we have it, all finished. Just put some plants in, all painted up. And what it does, it divides off that border. So now it's a matter of getting onto the rest of the garden. It's been a bit of a crabby summer at the moment. Plenty of rain, but nothing else. Couldn't get in the garden, so anyway, need to get all the borders sorted now. But there we have it, all finished. Hope you like the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment of anything that you don't agree with, or if you've got any sort of feedback, things could have done better. But onwards and upwards, on to the next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.